Suresh Nair. Last month, 20th, I had a stroke, and I admitted here in Aster. And after that, they sent me for rehabilitation here. I was under Mr. Anish, the physiotherapist here. When I admitted here, that time the entire the left side was dead, like nothing was moving. Even my both leg and hand fingers, they were all not moving. And they started the treatment with their advanced techniques here, and day by day I improved. And I think the second day or third day I started moving my leg fingers, and then my legs, and my hands. The physiotherapists here, they are very good and very what we say, very encouraging and very positive attitude. I'm really appreciating them for their efforts. And now I'm able to move, I am able to walk. I walked back to the room last day, and then from there, when I got discharged, I walked to the car, the car, and I went back to home. Now I am here. I'm continuing my physio here. Thank you so much.